Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that empowers the making of savvy contracts and decentralized applications dApps, permitting designers to construct secure, straightforward, and oversight-safe programming arrangements that can robotize different undertakings and cycles without a focal power. On the off chance that you're searching for Ethereum cost expectations figure for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Ethereum ETH will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of Ethereum ETH and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Ethereum outline. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 when cryptographic forms of money were at their pinnacle. The advancement that was utilized to fabricate Bitcoin was accustomed to carry Ethereum into this present reality. Ethereum is absolutely programmable. This implies that you can assemble dApps, decentralized applications with practically no hustle effectively on their organization. The elements of the application that is based on the organization are extremely modern. All the organization gives you play with its developments access an extremely lovely way, and you can in a real sense do anything with the innovation. The organizer behind ETH, Vitalik Buterin, delivered the white paper of the coin in 2013, preceding the coin's underlying coin presenting back in 2015. Ethereum establishment was likewise a drive of the organizers behind the Ethereum organization. Yet the originators need to leave the organization since it was declared as a charitable organization formally. The ICO was held in Florida, where the pioneers behind the ETH sold more than $18 million worth of coins. The sum was expected to use in the improvement of the venture. The coin needed to hang tight for a long to get itself on the board. The clients began to move the coins in 2015. The hard fork was one of the significant occasions held in ETH history. The hard fork update was proposed by the originators since they figure it would keep programmers from getting into the ETH blocks. Ethereum, a point of support on the lookout. Ethereum is a decentralized organization. The clients on the organization are called hubs, which are holding the organization's information on various servers. This makes the organization profoundly secure from malware assaults. This is the primary contrast among Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the two organizations are putting away information in a totally different ways. The exchanges on the organization are completely open to the next network clients. Whole blocks are shared by excavators on the organization, so different clients can see what is add or erase from the organization. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $3,721 and ETH is as of now positioned #2 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Ethereum is 120, 131, 151 with a market cap of $447 of 11,291, 545. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 119% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the ETH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 25%. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate future Ethereum cost expectations at estimate by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized examination on the past value information of Ethereum. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Ethereum value expectation rundown. Experts project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2025, with cost possibly coming to $7 to 765 mark. Ethereum cost gauge recommends a chance of ETH exchanging between $48, 239 to $58, 899 in 2030. Ethereum is presently estimated at $3 to 721 on the lookout. Our Ethereum long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $277, 634 and $298, 531. The cost of one ETH would reach as high as $261 to 215 as by 2040. Ethereum value forecast 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH, In 2024, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $4,592. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5,313 with the typical exchanging cost of $4,740. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $6,518 in 2025. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $7 to $765 with a typical exchanging cost of $6,755 all through 2025. ETH value conjecture for 2026. Ethereum cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $10.33 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $11,528 with the typical estimate cost of $10,303. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2027. The cost of one Ethereum is supposed to reach at least degree of $14,851 in 2027. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $17,348 with a typical cost of $15,263 all through 2027. Ethereum value expectation 2028. Ethereum cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $21,783 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $26.40 with a typical estimate cost of $22,393. Ethereum value expectation 2029. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least degree of $33,591 in 2029. The Ethereum cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $38.26 with a typical cost of $34,486 all through 2029. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH, in 2030 the cost of Ethereum is estimated to be at around a base worth of $48,239. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $58,899 with the typical exchanging worth of $49 to $619 NYC. Ethereum value conjecture 2031. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Ethereum is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $71,534. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $84,749 with a typical worth of $73,519. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2032. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least worth of $98.73 in 2032. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $121,344 with the typical exchanging cost of $101,749 all through 2032. Ethereum value forecast 2033. According to